Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can sign in to Netflix on Sharp Smart TV. So let's start our video. First, press the home button on your remote. It will bring you here. Here, as you can see, Netflix in the app. So you need to press OK and it will bring you here. Here, all you need to do is to select the sign in option. So guys, once you select the sign in option, press OK on the remote. It will bring you here. Now you need to use your mobile device to scan the code. Once you scan it, just tap on that option which appears on the screen. It will bring you to your Netflix, and all you need to do is to sign in to TV. So you need to press that and they said all set, and after some time you will see that you're signed in to your Netflix account on your Sharp Smart TV. So guys, this is all it takes to sign in to your Netflix account on Sharp TV. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.